Hello, my name is Ian Allen. I'm a geographer and I have 29 years experience as a GIS researcher, teacher and consultant. In this QGIS course, I'm going to teach you how to create and present shaded GIS maps and legends, step by step. There's 3 companion ebooks in this course. Getting started with QGIS, that's 111 pages long. Environmental mapping with GIS, that's 70 pages long. Introduction to the QGIS layout, that's 69 pages long. In sections 1 through 3, you'll download and install QGIS and the practice dataset. Then I'll teach you some basic QGIS skills like opening maps, tables and air photos, and zooming and panning and interactive querying. In section 4, I'll teach you how to harness the relationship between maps and tables so that you can simplify complex geographical problems. I'll teach you thematic mapping, selecting colour schemes and the need to think about the local geography when you validate and interpret your maps. You'll put your new skills into practice with 2 thematic mapping projects, shading a data category map and creating 3 time series maps. In section 4, I'll teach you GIS concepts. Then, in sections 6 through 11, we'll create a housing density map and present it using the QGIS layout feature. I'll also teach you how to export layouts and create GeoPdfs. Now they're a special type of PDF that turn Adobe Acrobat Reader into a GIS map viewer. GeoPdfs are absolutely mind-blowing. Over 5,000 people have already completed my course and over 300 of those have left 5-star reviews. Here's what some of them have to say. I hope that you will take the leap and enrol, and I look forward to seeing you inside.